everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to share a note on Instagram. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to share a note on Instagram, then first open up Instagram application or log into Instagram.com account. Once you're in the main homepage, after logging in, tap on the direct message icon at the top right hand corner. This will now open up your direct messaging section. You'll be able to see your profile picture at the top left. Tap the plus icon in your profile picture and type in the message you would like to share. You can write up to 60 characters in your note. After you are done typing in your note, at the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see an option where it says shared with your followers you follow back. If you want to change that, you can simply tap on it and select who you'd like to share your notes with between followers you follow back or close friends and tap on done. After you are ready to share your notes, tap on the share button at the top right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to share a note on Instagram. Your note will appear as a small bubble over your profile picture for 24 hours. Your friends can tap on it and read it and even reply to your notes. That is how you can easily share a note on Instagram. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.